What is going down, everybody? Welcome back to another quick reaction. Today we're back at the theater and we're checking out the new horror film Weapons. Now, Weapons is from the director of Barbarian that came out a couple years ago, and that movie tripped everybody out. That movie's a very much you love it or you hate it kind of a film, but it was a very intriguing film nonetheless. So I was very anxious to see what was he going to bring to his next film, because this guy's supposed to be the future of horror films. And I'm proud to say, and very happy to say, that this movie's awesome. I super dug it. This, of course, is the story about 17 kids just up and disappearing at 2:17 a.m. What happened? We're going to go from there. Julia Garner, Josh Brolin. And what's really cool about this movie, I didn't know this, but it's actually told from different perspectives. So you get Julia Garner's story, you get Josh Brolin's story, you get the cop story, you get the principal story, and you see it all come together. It's a very satisfying ending. It's a slow burn, but it really worked for me, man. So I highly recommend Weapons. Check it.